This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Cargill, IKEA, and ShopRite are among the end users presenting at ATMO America 2026 by Michael Hines, published May 11th, 2026. Cargill, IKEA, and ShopRite are among the end users who will take the stage at Atmosphere, ATMO America Summit 2026, which will be held June 2nd to 3rd in Tarrytown, New York. Atmosphere, the publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com, is finalizing the program for the event. Cargill, IKEA, and ShopRite will share their experiences with natural refrigerant-based HVAC and R systems on day one during an end-user panel. Tickets are still available and can be purchased here. End users and government officials and workers receive free passes, while contractors receive one free pass and a 50% discount on additional passes. While Cargill and IKEA are both multinational companies, ShopRite is a family-owned with 39 supermarkets in New Jersey. Small and independent supermarket operators will step into the spotlight at ATMO America 2026 during the Independent Retailer panel. Speakers will include the National Supermarket Association, an organization for independent supermarket operators on the East Coast; the Aurora Grocery Group, a supermarket chain with 25 locations across the East Coast; Gala Foods Supermarket, part of Aurora; and Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, a supermarket chain with 12 locations across New York and New Jersey. DeSico & Sons, a family-owned company with 11 supermarkets in New York, will also present and host a pre-event site visit at its Sleepy Hollow store, which features a CO2 refrigeration system that can be viewed by shoppers. The visit, co-hosted by manufacturers Hill Phoenix Copeland and Flow Energy Solutions, will be held June 1st and is open to end users, engineers of record, and contractors. The platinum sponsor of ATMO America 2026 is Hill Phoenix. Gold sponsors are Bitzer, Copeland, Hussman, Kaiser Warren, Link by Watts, M&M Carnot, and MSA Safety. A focus on heat pumps and HVAC. ATMO America 2026 will feature several sessions devoted to refrigeration, including a market trends panel featuring leading manufacturers and 2 sessions of case studies. HVAC is emerging as the next area of disruption for natural refrigerants in North America, and early adopters and manufacturers in the space will be highlighted at ATMO America on day 2. There will be a market trends panel dedicated to commercial HVAC, specifically CO2 heat pumps, made up of Bitzer, Link by Watts, and M&M Carnot. A broader discussion on HVAC, held in collaboration with REEF, Refrigerant Emissions Elimination Forum, will be held with a mix of stakeholders: pharmaceutical company Roche, a researcher from the Western Cooling Efficiency Center at UC Davis, the contractor DMG North, heat pump manufacturer Aris Hydronic, and technical sustainability services firm Effecterra, policy, and PFAS. There will be a packed policy and standards panel featuring representatives from 8 organizations on day 1. New York and California, 2 states with aggressive F-gas regulations, will be represented by members of the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation and the California Air Resources Board, CARB. Nonprofits participating include the VEIC, which designs and helps implement sustainable energy programs for organizations and governments; New Yorkers for Cool Refrigerant Management, a grassroots group dedicated to preventing refrigerant pollution through community action; the Environmental Investigation Agency, which investigates environmental crimes; and the NYCEEC, which provides financing for energy efficiency and clean energy projects on the East Coast. The IIAR and Copeland round out the panelists. Day 2 will feature a discussion on HFOs, TFA, trifluoroacetic acid, and the growing threat of PFAS, per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances. Researchers from York University and Duke will join a representative from the Hawaii Department of Health, Andy Baker from Your Clean Energy, and Michael Gary, editor-at-large at naturalrefrigerants.com, on stage.